You might be running a version of .NET that's about to lose support and not even realize it. Even now with .NET 10 out, between .NET Framework, .NET Core, .NET Standard, and modern .NET, Microsoft's support rules are confusing, inconsistent, and easy to misunderstand. Now, in this video, we'll break down exactly how .NET support works, what LTS and STS really mean, and how long your version is actually safe to run. LTS and STS apply to modern .NET starting with .NET 5. That's when Microsoft introduced a predictable release cadence. Even number releases get LTS, which lasts 3 years, and odd number releases get STS, which now lasts 2 years. And here's the catch: long-term is relative. Some older platforms like .NET Framework are supported longer than newer LTS releases. To understand support, it helps to think in platforms, not just version numbers. .NET Framework is mostly out of support, but a few versions last longer because support is tied to Windows. .NET Core was an evolution of .NET Framework, and all versions are now out of support. .NET Standard is a compatibility bridge between .NET Framework and .NET. Its support follows modern .NET. Xamarin revolutionized mobile app development, but is now out of support, with .NET MAUI as the migration path. And modern .NET, starting with .NET 5, is where the LTS and STS model applies, and where upgrade planning really matters. Despite the LTS labels, many modern .NET versions are closer to end of support than expected. And at the same time, some much older framework versions remain supported. And support depends on 3 things: the version number, the platform family, and the original release date. And once you know those, planning becomes much clearer. An out-of-support app won't suddenly stop working, but Microsoft stops providing security fixes, updates, and technical assistance. And over time, that increases risk: unpatched vulnerabilities, growing compatibility issues, harder maintenance, and missed features. The software still runs, it just becomes riskier to rely on. So what should you do? If you're on .NET Framework, there's usually no immediate urgency, but planning still matters. If you're on .NET Core, migration is required. It's already out of support. And if you're on modern .NET, awareness is key. Track end of service dates and plan upgrades proactively. Now, once you understand Microsoft's support model, it's actually predictable. LTS is relative, not indefinite, and older platforms can outlive newer ones, and the safest strategy isn't assumption, it's planning. And from there, upgrades become a timing decision. Now, when it comes to .NET migrations, we've put together a full migration guide. You can find it linked in the description, along with resources on STS updates and what's new in .NET 10.